Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 Trophy Edition Deep Sandglow. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in the unique Deep Sandglow yellow metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights for signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, really complementing the Deep Sandglow yellow exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find you have a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you can see that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large-size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Also located within the boot is your tow bar controls, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. You also have your ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, so you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You of course also have your 4x4 information and terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing with this, you also have the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. And the 360 view camera allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have your tow bar controls, allowing you to deploy or stow it away from the comfort of within the cabin. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And paired with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 Trophy Edition Deep Sandglow, which is now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.